statistic. What is a statistic? So if I write the definition of a statistic, it is a branch of mathematics. It is a branch of mathematics which deals about four things. It deals about the four things. What are they? They are collection, classification, analysis, and last, interpretation of what? Interpretation of data. So a statistic is the branch of mathematics which deals about the collection, classification, analysis, and interpretation of data. So our next question is, what is data? What is data? What do you mean by data? Data. So I write an example. So I write the number of a student in my class is 150. Number of trees in my garden is 15, and that is the data. It means that is the data. Data means facts or numerical values that are for information. It means how many students in my class, which is 150. How many trees in my garden is 15. It means it is a fact or numerical value. It is fact or numerical value that are for the information purpose. It means that the numerical value which is give the information about something or facts, that is called the data. It means the statistics is all about the collection, classification, analysis, and interpretation of data. And that the fourth thing statistics is running around. This is the main fourth thumb of the statistics. If you clearly know about that four things, that is the statistics is very easy. So what is data? Data is a fact or numerical value that are for the information. It means that 150 students are in my class, 15 trees in garden. That is the information. That is a numerical value which is give us some information. It's called data. Okay. So many philosophers, many scientists give the definition of statistics, which is in their own word, but the meaning of the statistics are the same, which is the collection, classification, analysis, and interpretation of data. So one of those scientists, Horace, is the scientist which gives the statistics in the sixth sentence. How can you learn that? The Horace gives the definition of statistics in 6 sentences by their letter in name: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means Horace gives the definition of statistics in 6 sentences. What are they? First, a statistic is aggregates of data. First sentence of the Horace definition is called, what is a statistics is the aggregates of data. Okay, a statistics is the aggregate of data. What it mean by? Let's example. There is one mango weight, one delicious mango. The weight of one mango, the delicious mango is 500 gram. Okay, एक number case, one number case. Okay, another is the weight of that all are mangoes. This mango are not the same as before. So first, second, third, fourth mango. This is the first mango. Okay, its weight is 450, it's 350, 250, and 200. So if I ask a question, which of the following is the giving the meaning of the sentence? Absolutely that. Statistics is the aggregate of data. It is not the single one. It is a series of data. It means it is a series. The correct example is that. The statistics not deal with the only single data. It deals about the series of data. Statistics not deals about the individual data, it deals about the series of data. That is the second example is correct. Okay, first sentence. Second sentence is that statistics is affected by the mark extended multiplicity of causes. What is meant by this sentence? What are the meaning of this sentence is statistics is affected by mark extended multiplicity of causes. This example, production of a wheat field is 4.1 ton per hectare. Okay, the production of the wheat field is 4.1 ton per hectare. It means the 1 hectare is providing the production 4.1 ton. Okay, so this production is affected by many factors like climate, one of the factor, another climate, rainfall, light, transport, soil fertility. That all are the factors that affect the statistics. What is the production statistics? It means the statistics is affected by the mark extended multiplicity of causes. That all are the causes: climate, transport, soil fertility, rainfall, light. That all are affected by the production of the wheat. It means the production statistics is affected by multiplicity of the causes. It all causes, if they multiply them, that all magnitude are affected the production statistics. That means. Okay, so our next is the third sentence is statistics is numerically expressed. What is it mean by statistics? The data of the statistics related is expressed numerically. It means the weight of mango is 500 gram, the weight of this mango is 400 gram, this weight of this mango is 400 gram, 400 gram, 400 gram. Okay, the statistics is also expressed in numerical form. Okay, like number of member in my family is 12. It expressed in numerically form. So statistics is the numerically expressed. Okay, so another fourth, statistics is numerically expressed in reasonable accuracy. What is it mean by if I wait that all mangoes here all mangoes, then I put another mango of 2 kg weight. Okay, 2 kg weight. It is feasible to take 2 kg weight in the series of gram? No, it is not feasible, because statistics is a numerically exact in the reasonable accuracy, in the form of reasonable accuracy. It is not the reasonable as the series of the gram. No, absolutely not. I should keep in also that mango in like 600 gram. It is not reasonable to keep 2 kg of mango. It is not feasible. It is not practically possible, the production of 2 kg or 5 kg of mango. So it must be kept in a reasonable form. Okay, a reasonable accuracy. Okay, number 5 is statistics should collected in a systematic manner for predetermined purpose. So what is it mean by statistics should collected in a systematic manner for the predetermined purpose. So you already know about every activities have their own purpose. We are studying now, you are studying now because you want to pass an exam. So all have the predetermined purpose. So according to predetermined purpose, we should collect the data. Like if we want to know the production of wheat, then we have to collect the data in systematic manner, the production of wheat, like variety, like A variety, B variety, C variety. And the production of A variety is 5 ton per hectare, B variety is 2 ton per hectare, and C variety is 1 ton per hectare. It means that among the three these varieties, A variety is the best variety for the production. It means this statistics should collected in systematic manner for predetermined purpose. What are the predetermined purpose in this question, in this example? The production of wheat. That are the purpose, to know the production of wheat. So we collect the variety in systematic manner A, B, C, and the production in systematic manner 5 to 1, and then we compare the A variety is the good variety for the production. So this is the 5th sentence, and last 6 sentence is deals about statistics is being placed in relation to each other. What is sentence meaning? The sentence meaning is statistics is being placed in relation to each other. Now we have the example like production of wheat. Production of wheat is variety, bar variety, and production metric ton per hectare. Okay, so A variety are producing 5 ton per hectare, B variety are producing 4 ton, and C variety 3 ton. Okay, now the production of rice, var, and production ton per hectare. A variety are producing 5, B variety are producing 4, C variety are producing 3. It means that each other can be placed in relationship because each of the aim or purpose are the same, production of the crops. So we can being placed in relation to each, we can relate to the each, the production of overall production of wheat and the rice are the same. We can place each other. If we talk about if there is a 7, then there is a high production of rice as compared to wheat. If I compare them both, it means that we can being placed in relation to each other. That's the Horace definition of statistics. So many scientists give the definition of the statistics in their own way, but the meaning is the same. That is the collection, classification, analysis, and interpretation of the data. So we know that statistics is running around the 4 things. First, collection, classification, analysis, and interpretation. That's the 4 things in which the statistics is run of data. That we already talked about. Collection first, second is classification, and third is analysis, and fourth is interpretation. First we collect the data, we classify data, then we interpret data. Okay, that is the running of a statistic. Okay, so what is the reason behind that the 4 thing or a statistic? If I say the collection, classification, analysis, interpretation or a statistic are the same, so what is the reason behind the evolving the 4 things: collection, classification, analysis, interpretation, or a statistic? And that is again by the next topic, the function of the statistics. Function of statistics. So look at one example. Like example is a student present. Sorry. Let's rub the whiteboard, then clear, and write the clear example. So example is a student present in class 7 days in a week, but sometimes just 1, 2 or 5 days. Weeks 2, 14, 30, 2, 14, 8, 32 days, 1 days, 2 days, 5 days and 7 days. That is our example. Okay, so a student present in class 7 days in a week, but just 1, 2 or 5 days. Okay, and the table is given is weeks and day. 2 weeks 1 days, 14 weeks 2 days, 8 weeks 5 days and 32 weeks 7 of the 7 days present in the class. And let's write this scenario in the other form. Okay, number of weeks, okay, number of days. Okay, so number of weeks 2, 14, 8, 32, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5 and 7. Okay, that is our table. Okay, so let's suppose it's x and it is f. Just for now, let's suppose. So tell me which of the following between both is a simple and easy to understand. Absolutely that one, because there is a must maybe sentences for in the example, but there is a some easy describe in the table. Like if I ask how many days that is student present 7 out of 7 days, how many weeks? There's only 2 weeks, and 8 weeks 5 days out of 7 days. 14 weeks have the only 2 days out of 7 days. 2 weeks is 1 day out of the 7 days. Okay, it is a very easy to understand. That the first sentence is to present data in definite form. It presents the data in definite form. Okay, second is it simplify the complex data. There is a complex data which is simplified by some tables. Simplify the complex data. And third is it helps to enlarge the individual experiences. Okay, and fourth is easy to make comparison, and 5 is to provide the guidelines of policy formation. Guidelines of policy formation. That is the reason behind why the statistics evolve. What is the reason? Why the reason of collection, interpretation, classification of the data. Okay.